Hello, my dear Goenkans. Today we will understand properties of addition of integers. Property first. It says that if a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. And we call this property as closure property of addition. Let us understand it with an example. For example, we will take any two integers, -4 and +6. Now, -4 is an integer and +6 is also an integer. Now, if we will add them, the answer is equal to +2, which is also an integer. So, this property says that if you are adding two integers, the sum is also an integer. Property 2. It says that if a and b are two integers, then a plus b, it is equal to b plus a. Now let us understand it with an example. Let us take two integers as -5 and +6. Now if we will add them, -5 and +6, it is equal to +1. Now let us change the order of addends. Let's keep my +6 first and then -5. And now if we will add them, we will get +1 here also. So if we are having two numbers, no matter what order of addends we follow, we will get the same answer. Property 3. It says that if a, b and c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c, it is equal to a plus b plus c. Now let us understand it also with an example. Suppose I am having three integers as 3 plus -8 and plus -7. Now let us add them. It says no matter what order you follow, whether you will add these two first and then you will add the sum with this number, or if you will add these two first, then you will add the sum with this number, in both the cases you will get the same answer. That is, if you will add 3 plus -8 first, we will get an answer equal to -5. And then when you will add -5 to -7, you will get an answer equal to -12. Now, if you will change the order, that is, if you will add -8 and +7 first. So, -8 and +7 is equal to -15. And then, if you will add this -15 to 3, in this case, you will also get an answer equal to -12. So, if you are having more than two integers, no matter what order you will follow, you will get the sum same. Property 4. It is a property called as additive element for addition. It says that if a is an integer, then a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. That is, if you are adding 0 to an integer, you will get that integer back. Suppose we are having a negative integer here, that is 48, -48. So when we are adding 0 to it, we will get -48 back. Now, if we will add -48 to 0, in that case, we will again get -48 back. Property 5. It says that if a is an integer, then there is an integer minus a such that a plus minus a is equal to 0. Now let us consider an integer. Let us consider an integer -23. Or let us consider an integer here, a different example. Suppose we will consider an integer 2a. It says if we have an integer 2, then there exists another integer that is an opposite of this integer, that is -2. And if you will add them, the answer is equal to 0. And this -2 is called as the additive inverse of 2, or this 2 is called as an additive inverse of minus 2. So there exists an additive inverse of every number except 0. Property 6. It says that if a is an integer, then a plus 1 is its successor. We know successor means adding 1 to a number. So if we are having an integer, for example, minus 8, its successor means that when we will add 1 to it. So minus 8 plus 1, it is equal to minus 7. So the successor of minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Similarly, if we have an integer plus 8, so its successor is plus 1, that is equal to plus 9. These are the some properties of addition of integers. That's all for today. Thank you so much.